Alright ladies and gentlemen, I've got Willie G Banger here. He's an apprentice at work and we're just having a couple of froffies. We've got 2 rivet guns. One's for a posh person, it's a Milwaukee 12 volt rivet gun. And then Will just got this the other day, he's letting us use it to do a test, as you might have seen before. So, how much is this worth?
$25.
Is that what you got it for?
That's what I got it for, so it retail probably at 50.
Yeah, so 50 bucks if this goes on your drill and it's a rivet gun. So we're going to drill some holes and have a race. Alrighty, both got 5 pot rivets and a sheet with 5 holes in it. I think they're 4mm rivets, yeah? Yeah, 4mm rivets. Like we ever practice like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's this one in work.
Yeah, so go.
Drill it, but then go backwards to release. So she's on like Donkey Kong. 3, 2, 1, go. Quick, quick. Come on. Fuck, you love that. Actually close. Alright, Milwaukee man. That look though.
I dropped my plate half the river.
Yeah, I reckon you'll get quicker if you didn't drop it. Oh, what happened? Oh, you didn't get that one. Nah, so Milwaukee must be.
You gotta try this on speed 2.
Speed 2.
That's right, add it on.
I'm gonna shoot. Oh, check on the camera.
Oh, that thing on speed 2 is gonna be unreal.
What's
you were shooting it on 1.
Ready?
No, you gotta hold the thing at the same time.
Oh, is that backwards?
Yeah, that's backwards, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah. Okay, told you.
Ah,
use this, use this.
What's that? Oh, hasta la vista.
I almost broke my hand.
But I reckon I'd probably buy this instead.
It actually ate Harley's breakfast.
Yeah.
But you remember those frames you did for industry?
Yeah.
This barely even fit in the gap. So
yeah.
that'd be no good.
Oh, mate. Still got it backwards.
What's going on with it now? It must have a sink.
Ah, still miss the camera.
I reckon.
Really ripped my arm off.
Give us a go. I'm gonna try and get a little range shot.
Yeah. So these are 297 for the skin, and that was like 50 bucks. So yeah, I suppose if you're doing it all day, every day, you need to get to small spots and stuff. This would be the go. But I'm impressed. I'm gonna give this one to that one. How about you?
I personally don't like the Milwaukee one anyway.
It's kind of doesn't feel like it's got much oomph, does it?
Yeah.
And then, shit man, out of the frame. Next thing he bought is the same system, but for a nutsert gun. So for those of you who don't know what a nutsert gun is, it's like a pot rivet, except you can screw a bolt in it. Pretty rad, it's good for trying to repair cars and shit. So we'll do that next.
Yeah. I'll try I'll try and get one in the fan and see if it just flicks the fucking thing.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, you can get pretty cheap.
Hey?
I'm trying to talk, you're being noisy. You can get pretty cheap nutserts that are in like a pot rivet form, like your pliers, but they can be a real pain to like squeeze like up to M8. You gotta like squeeze them real hard, and so yeah, everyone here likes these power ones. And that other power one, what brand was that?
The pneumatic one.
Oh, was that pneumatic, was it?
Yeah, it has too much power. You're gonna have a regulator on your airlines if you use a pneumatic one.
Yeah, so if you can have a pneumatic regulator. So he knows a lot about tools for an apprentice, but Yeah, if you have a pneumatic one, you have to have a regulator on your nutsert gun, or it just rips the thread past it, and then it's a pain in the ass to try and unscrew the nutsert. What is what's it called? Devlins or something?
Yeah, there's another name for it.
There's heaps of names for nutserts. Riv nuts or Devlins or something.
Sure he does. Jesus.
The other thing is, how do you know when you're you got yourself into a real mischief there.
Safe that.
Alright.
Should be fine. I'll just fucking push it in and it'll be alright.
Yeah. Hey!
Alright. Yeah, I got this pop.
Fuck. How'd that go? Proud of that or not?
I don't know.
Still doesn't look that. Oh, you can see it's expanded.
Soon get a bolt in there and see if it pulls out.
Yeah. What is it?
8 inches with these ratchet spanners.
Yeah, and they're Tang ones too.
Jesus.
I bought 3 sets for the go-kart years ago.
Yeah.
8, 10 and 12. And that's all you really needed.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon it's wrecked the thread. Look at the end of that.
Oh, you reckon it's wrecked your thing?
I reckon it's like stripping or letting go or something. Yeah, and then if we get that, we've got to get something on it and see if it'll pull the nutsert out or not.
Yeah, unless you keep doing it up.
Enough to...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See if you can get much tension. Can you get tonight?
I don't know where I want to go. Yeah, that's...
Tension on that. It's spinning.
I reckon that's spinning the nutsert.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
What's your rating, Wilbur?
On the nutsert gun, probably like a 4 or a 5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that gets it done, but...
Gets it done, but not very good. Barely expands it.
When did it fuck you think?
It's already starting to wreck it, and it's wrecking the threads inside the nutsert.
Unless we need to tune it or something. Fine tune it.
Yeah, it might be. It might be just drills are too powerful for them.
Yeah.
And the rivet gun probably like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, that was sweet.
Yeah.
Fucking that ripped.
Hey?
That ripped. If they could make it more like compact, even still, I'm gonna buy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't like having too many of anything. So having a whole more rivet gun compared to an attachment is awesome.
I'd rather an open Milwaukee one.
Yeah.
Unless I needed to get into a tight spot, which is not that hard to use a hand one anyway.
That's it. Oh, you know what we should do? Fucking drill battle.
Oh. Yeah, let the impact drivers on be like.
Yeah, alright. Show me! Alright, that's us done. Hope you have a good weekend. If you want to see more of Wilbur, let me know in the comments. We can do much more fighting and shit. That was just the very beginning of what could be very big things to come. Actually, I reckon Bunny would be a good weapon shop. Fuck yeah. Yeah, so yeah, what's your Instagram name? Really G Banger?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can follow Will at Really G Banger. We're always doing stuff at work. And hope you liked the video. Any questions about the stuff that we just tried out, just pop in the comments and we'll answer it. And yeah, peace.